and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel in the first place. Today we have a Shinso X listener, but before we get into it, I want to add a quick note. So from now on, I will be adding content or trigger warnings in the description. If there are any you think I should add, like after a video or during it, please just leave them in the comments and I will update it as it goes. Alright, let's go ahead and get into it. 3 knocks on the door meant love was coming in. Hitoshi. Surprisingly, the sound of your hoarse voice made Shinso turn around from his desk. He gave you an odd look before completely turning his full attention to you. Sorry, you croaked at him, resting your figure on his doorframe. I was wondering if you still had any of those cough drops. He got up from his seat and approached you wordlessly, before placing a cool hand on your forehead. You okay? Well, he didn't look like it. Shinso happened to be a very good boyfriend. Your 1A classmates found it strange that you would confess to liking a cryptic oddball like him, but you merely shrugged and said it was what the heart wanted. You knew why you liked him, though, and you didn't have to explain it to anyone. Shinso's placement in Class 1B meant that the two heroes were finally at an equal number, but never really at an equal standing, at least for Monoma, who still looked at Class 1A in the most negative and antagonistic way possible, setting the stage for a rivalry that never even existed to begin with. It was Kendo who let you into the dormitory. Seeing as you were their newest classmate's partner, you were glad that the other girls from the class didn't treat you differently, and they were rather quick to warm up to you. Listener, Shinso was standing before you, the same calm and lethargic look on his face still there. You simply gave him a nod and a smile. Just an itchy throat. He gently grabbed your wrist and pulled you forward into his dorm and eventually into his arms. Want to stay over for a bit? You looked up at him as he gazed down at you, a crooked smile on his lips as he held you rather contently. Sure. Your figures crashed onto his bed, a fit of laughter escaping your lips before you accidentally bonked your head against his. Oh, I'm sorry, Hitoshi. Does it hurt? You cradled his head in your hands, gently running your fingers through his already messy hair. The closeness of your bodies actually made you rather nervous, and you were afraid that he could hear your heart in hysterics. Shinso raised a hand to your face as well as he quietly watched your expressions change. Pretty. You beamed at him. I came for a cough drop and I got a cuddle instead. He reached out for the shiny pack of cough drops on his bedside table and found a single piece left. It's the last one. Oh, can I please have it? I promised to give you some when... Shinso tried to hold back his smirk when you stared at him in disbelief as he popped the cough drop into his mouth. Hitoshi, you... He gripped your chin before suddenly swooping in to kiss you. Honestly, this boyfriend of yours catches you off guard at almost everything, every time. He softly moved his lips against yours, feeling him slide the drop in your mouth, the taste and scent of honey and lemon swirling between your breaths. Happy? It was him who asked the question, but the smirk on his face already spoke the answer. You buried your face in his chest, taking in the faint scent of vanilla lemon on his plain white shirt. Love you, came your short mumbled reply. Still can't help but think why. It was Shinso's turn to run his hands through your hair. You do realize that you might get my cough after this? Guess you're gonna have to go and get me some cough drops then, he chuckled. You know I'd do just about anything to take away your pain. Alright, so that's the end of this one. I hope you enjoyed. Music link, fanfic link, Discord link, and thumbnail art link are all in the description. I hope you have a great rest of your day, night, whatever, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye!